Filming now.
So with this picture, I spoke with Philip. Actually, he spoke with me about this. He's saying me like, this story is about a smile, and in every picture is a smile, and that's too much. Yeah. And he told me like, this kind of picture will be much stronger, because we can see this is like his birthday, and like this connection with the hand, we are asking ourselves like what is going on, and we see the cake, and he's holding, and actually his hand is looking like what's going on.
Yes,
like,
because yes, no,
and
that's
like
great.
like this will be like too much.
So Philip said basically you should have taken this as a picture.
Yeah. That will be much better. Like.
But of course, so he's not allowed. He doesn't tolerate to crop an image.
Yeah, of course.
You know, but why don't you use the other half of the picture, and like this you make it's the jacket of the book. This is the front. Yeah. This is the spine, and this is the back of the chapter of the book. And here you have black or white. You write your name, the type of the book. Like this, you have
totally jacket.
This is the jacket of the book.
So I need to think a little more.
Are you blaming Daniel?
No. I was thinking about put this here because I like those two. How they're.
But here you break. I mean, what was working so well was
I know this
was
and
this because you have these tones and the hair and this totally different images, but this beautiful connection. This almost becomes a microscopic enlargement of his chest and the dirt and the things that are living on the skin. You know, it's like zooming right in, like to there. Not to mention that it just feels like they were meant for each other. And when I see you put it there, I wonder what went on in your head. It's fine, you're allowed to do whatever you want, but
I think that I will get the card if I ever do it.
But I you know.
No.
I think that the power of, I mean, okay, the power of the energy that you have by juxtaposing images and forcing them to cohabitate on one page was producing an incredible amount of energy in the book, because by itself this is not, I would say, a strong picture. And it does not deserve, I would say, to be by itself in a book, because it's simply not a good enough picture. But as soon as you use it to like put it up against something else where they engage and argue with each other and change very much how you can interpret something, therein lies the strength of that picture. Isolating it, I think, is a mistake. I think you have to have that fight, that engagement, that connection, that discussion between images, and to see how they clash and help and change the meaning and the questions that they pose, and by isolating it, you're preventing that from happening, and I think that's a big mistake.